Bye-bye, Mommy's precious little darling. Is baby birdie gonna miss his mommy, huh? Please take care of my little darling.
Don't worry, madam. Nothing will happen to your little bird. Aboard!
I'm a tweet little bird in a gilded cage. Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that. I'm safe in here from that old putty cat. I thought I saw a putty cat. I did saw a putty cat. Don't I know you from somewhere?
Oh, no, you don't. It's a good thing I kept my eye on you, you sneaking feline. And as for you, little birdie, I better put you in a safer place. There you are. That ought to do it. Now remember, cat, no tricks.